Good morning, children. Myself, Mrs. Sonia Patrick, class teacher of class 1A, and I will be taking your English grammar classes. To begin with, we will start with chapter 1, the alphabet. And it's a revision sort of, children, because you have done already in KG2 and as well as in KG1 also. Okay? So begin with, first I will make you understand what does the alphabet means. Now randomly if you write A, Z, K, L, N. So are these alphabet? No, children. These are letters because they are randomly chosen from the set of the alphabet and then it's written over here. So these are letters. Okay, children? So these are letters. But when you write letters from A to Z, the complete set from A to Z, it's called, collectively it's called the alphabet. I never pronounce it alphabets, it's always alphabet. Understood, children? Now, these are the capital letters, okay, children, and these are the small letters. Understood? Now, to begin with, page 6, D exercise. First is write in capital letters. So here some small letters are given. You have to write the capital letter. Now F capital will be this way. L this way. Small j, capital J. N this way. Small e, then capital E. M small, now you have to write it capital. H will be like this, D will be like this, A and Z. First 2 rows I have done for you, children. The next 3 rows you can do it by yourself as homework. Now in the same page 6 there is E exercise. Now capital letters are given and you have to write the small letters. Write in small letters. G like this, D, F, A, small k, then small c, small q, small e, then P and small t. The other 3 rows you can do as homework. So I hope, children, the concept is clear about letters and alphabet, capital letters and small letters. Now children, we will be continuing the English grammar classes. Now we will be doing chapter 2, special letters. Okay, from A to Z there are 6 special letters. A, E, I, O, U and Y. A, E, I, O, U and Y. These are called special letters and these letters are found in every word. Okay. For example, class. Which is the special letter in this word? A. Then comes another example, button. Special letters U and O. Then bicycle. Special letter I, Y and E. So special letters are A, E, I, O, U and Y. And these special letters are found in all the words. Now children, these special words are given over here. Okay, the set of words are here given in the help box and every word is having some or the other special letter and you have to write within their special letter rows. Now, to start with words with A, we have to choose from these words and write under this. Now first you will read tin. Is it having the special letter A? No. The second word bat. Yes, it's having special letter A. So we are going to write bat over here. Then jug, pen, pot, bed, dog, cat. Cat is having the special letter A. Children, when you have written bat and cat, you can omit those words so that it is helpful for you to do the other exercises easily. You won't be getting confused. Okay? Then gun, pin, frog, milk. Milk is having a special letter A? No. Cap, yes, it's having special letter A. C-A-P. Drum, bell, hill, nest, fun, fan. Yes, fan is having special letter A. Then comes words with E, special letter E. Tin, jug, pen. Pen is having special letter E. Pot, bed. Dog, gun, pin, frog, milk, drum, bed. Hill, nest. Nest is having the special letter E. Now we will be doing I, special letter I. Tin, the first word is having the special letter I. Tin, then jug, pot, bed, dog, gun, pen. Frog, milk. Drum, hill. Hill is having the special letter I. The same way, children, you will be completing the special letter O words and words with special letter U. Understood, children? Now, this exercise is B exercise in page number 7. Now, we will switch on to page number 8, C exercise. It's the same letter, it's the same type of exercise, but with Y-I-E. Okay? There are 5 rows in this exercise, so I am going to do 2 exercises for you. Rest you can do as homework. Now, words with Y. From this help box, we will choose the words with the special letter Y. Moon, cake, sky. Sky is having special letter Y. Then kite, coat, gate, goat, fly. Fly is having special letter Y. Then line, cool, try. Y is the special letter again in this word. Try. Then plate, stool, fine, road, dry. Dry is having the special letter Y. Okay. Now, the words with I and E. Okay. Now, moon, cake, kite. Kite is having 2 special letters, I and E. Then coat, gate, goat, line. Again with the special 2 letter I and E. Then cool, plate, stool, fine. Fine is having again those 2 special letter I and E. Then road, soap, school and fine. F-I-V-E. Now we will switch on to page number 9 with D exercise. In D exercise there are some pictures given, children, and spelling is written but the special letter is missing out in those spellings and you have to fill in those special letters. Now the first picture is of jug. You have to spell the word jug. J-U-G. So U is missing, so you will fill in U. The next picture is of tap. T-A-P, tap. The special letter A you have to fill in. Then bus. B-U, the special letter U-S, bus. Then kite. K, two special letters are there. K-I-T-E, kite. Now again two special letters. Boat. B-O-A-T, boat. Okay, so children, page 7B exercise, page 8C and page 9D exercise. Rest of it you can do as homework. Now children, we will be continuing English grammar classes with chapter 3, naming words. Let me explain you something before that. So many people are around you, okay, but you give them some naming words like doctor, nurse, tailor, barber, teacher, etc. Okay. Then there are so many places around you. You name them also, like shop, park, zoo, mall, and so on. So many animals are around you. So you call them monkey, cat, dog, fish, isn't it? And there are so many things around you. Mobile phone, bench, fan, blackboard, chalk, duster. Okay, so these are the naming words for all of them. Now children, in concern to naming words, there is an exercise in page 11, E exercise. Okay, there are so many pictures given over there, and under each picture, two naming words are there, and the correct naming word you have to underline and write under each heading. Names of person, names of animals and birds, names of places, and names of things. Now the first picture is of lion, and two special words, naming words are given over there, tiger and lion. So you will underline lion, and where you will write? You will write under names of animals. Then second picture is of potter and beggar. The picture is of potter. So you will underline potter, and where you will write? You will write under names of person. In the same way, picture 3 is the picture of flower, and two naming words are given over there, flower and leaf. You will underline flower, and where you will write? You will write under names of things, because it's a thing. Then the fourth one, lawyer and teacher. So the picture is of a teacher. You will underline teacher, and you will write under names of person. In the same way, picture 5, two naming words are there, park and street, and it's a park. So you will underline park, and where you will write? It's the name of a place. So you will write under names of places. Now the sixth one is a phone. Camera and phone is there, written over there. You will underline phone, and it's a thing. So you will write under names of things. And so on children. The other pictures you will see, you will identify, and then you will underline the correct naming word, and you will write under the correct heading. So this way you have to complete this exercise. Now children, we will switch on to page number 12, G exercise. Here some of the sentences are given, and you have to underline the naming words. I hope the concept is clear with the naming words. So when you read the sentences, you will come to know where you have to underline. Now the first sentence, the cat is on the wall. Now the first naming word is cat. It's an animal. Then is on the wall. You will underline wall. It's the thing. Second, the baby has a dog. Name of a person, name of a thing, dog. Understood children? Then the third sentence, a goat is eating grass. Where is the animal? Goat. And the things? Grass. Fourth sentence, mother is cooking dinner. Mother and dinner. Now the fifth one, the carpenter is making a stool. Where's the person? Carpenter. Okay, and what he is making? A thing. What's the naming word of that thing is? Stool. Understood? Now, an old woman with a stick is crossing the road. A person is there, woman, she is having a thing, stick, and which place she is trying to cross? Road. I hope the exercise is clear with you. Now, we will switch on to H exercise found on page 13. You have to look at the pictures and complete the sentences with naming words. In this exercise, some of the pictures are given, children. You can see to those pictures and then you can fill in the naming words. And the head box is there. And I told you before, as you write the naming word from the box, just omit it so that you can easily do the other exercises and complete it soon. There will be no confusion. Now the first, the dash is shining. There is a picture of moon. So where is the moon? Here. You will omit moon and you will write it here. Now the second is, there is a picture of nest. The bird, there is a bird in the nest. Here is nest, N-E-S-T. You will omit and you will write N-E-S-T. Then the third, the dash is watering the plants. There is a picture of gardener. Here is the gardener. You can omit it and write gardener. Fourth one, the squirrel is climbing the tree. Mostly the squirrels are found on the trees. They play, they love to be there. The squirrel is climbing the tree. So you will omit tree. Now giraffe and newspaper are left. See how easy it becomes. Now the dash is a tall animal. Which is the tall animal? Giraffe. You will omit giraffe and you will write it over here. Then the last one. Now see, only one is left. The last one, he is reading a newspaper. The picture is there. A man is reading a newspaper. You will write the newspaper. Now children, the last exercise is found on page 14. The eye exercise. Okay, here also some pictures are given, and the clue of the is also given. The first letter of the word is given, and you have to write down the spelling of that picture. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences with naming words. The first letter of each word is given in the bracket. Now, the first one, the dash has a long cap. In the bracket, the letter is C, and the picture is of a clown. So what you will write? Clown. C-L-O-W-N. Clown. Now the second, the boy is going on a dash. Starting letter B, and the boy is sitting on a bicycle. B-I-C-Y-C-L-E. Bicycle. Now the third one, the dash is rising. What is rising? Can you see the picture? It's a sun. And the starting letter S is given. S-U-N. Sun. And the fourth is, the dash brings us letters. The starting letter is given P. So it's a postman. P-O-S-T-M-A-N. Now the fifth one, the girl is eating something. What it is? Banana. The girl is eating a banana. The starting letter B is given over there. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. The last, a hen is over the hut. There is a dash on the hut. In the bracket, H is given. H-E-N, hen. So, this way you have to complete the exercise. Now children, we are going to do chapter 4. More about naming words. In chapter 3, we read about naming words. Now something more we will learn about those naming words. In previous chapter we had given persons like doctor, nurse, boy, girl, places, okay, and then things and animals, okay. So now when the persons are there, we name them. What's the name of the boy? Anil. What's the name of the girl? Shanti. What's the name of that place? It's a market. What's the name of that market? Suppose Big Bazaar. Okay. In which country you live? India. What's the name of that animal? You keep pets at home, dogs and cat. You name them like Max, Jimmy, Fury. Like this you keep their names. Okay. Now the things also you keep the names. Okay. Like bench, chalk, duster. Understood? So these are called special names. And children, these special names, they start with capital letter. Special names, they start with capital letter. So in concern to this, in page 16, B exercise, you have to solve. Underline the special names in the following sentences. The sentences are given. There are 5 sentences. 3 I am going to do with you. The other 2 you can do as homework. The special names in these sentences do not begin with a capital letter. That's the thing which you have to do. Write out the sentences using capital letters at the beginning of the special names. Now we will switch on to the first sentence. I saw Suresh. Suresh is the name of a boy, but this special word is not having capital letter. So you will underline it. And Rajesh. Special name Rajesh at the bus stop. Now how you will rewrite it? Again, I saw Suresh. It's not starting with capital letter. So capital S and then Suresh. And Rajesh, R is also not with the capital letter. R-A-J-E-S-H. Rajesh at the bus stop. So now it's making the complete sentence. I saw Suresh, S capital, and Rajesh, R capital, at the bus stop. This way you have to rewrite. First you have to underline the naming words, so that will make you easy. Then they are not with the capital letter, so when you rewrite this sentence, you have to use the capital letter at the beginning of the naming word. Now we will switch on to the second number. The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Now Tamil Nadu, name of a place. Chennai, name of a place. They are also not starting with capital letter. You have to use capital letter. The capital of Tamil Nadu. P capital, Nadu, N capital, is C capital of Chennai. Full stop. Understood, children? Now the third. I visited Delhi, name of a place, Agra, and Mumbai. These 3 special names, they are not having capital letter and you have to use capital letters. I visited D capital Delhi, comma Agra, A capital, and Mumbai, M capital. Is it clear, children? The other 2 you can do it very easily. Now children, in concern to this only, page 17 C exercise is given. That exercise you can do it by yourself because you have to tell your name, you have to name 2 of your friends, and where do you live, that you have to write, and then again your name, name of the two friends, and again where you live. This exercise you have to do accordingly to your own identity.